Hey guys, hope you all are doing really well. In this particular video, I am going to share some tips and tricks of the ACCA Business and Technology examination. So the first paper of ACCA, and also with that I'll be sharing some preparation tips like how you should be preparing for the Business and Technology paper of the ACCA. So those who are ACCA aspirants getting started with ACCA or still getting to know about the qualification, what I would suggest you is to subscribe this channel and watch this video till the end. So the Business and Technology examination is a 2-hour examination and it is completely objective based. Now when I say objective based, it is a mixture of fill in the blanks, match the following, multiple choice questions, multiple response answers. Now in this you will be getting 30 questions of 2 mark each, 16 questions of 1 mark each, and in section B you will be getting 6 questions of 4 mark each. So overall you will be getting a 100 mark question paper. Normally what I've seen it with the students is they are able to complete their complete Business and Technology paper within 2 hours itself. Within 1.5 hours they are complete and they are done with that particular paper. The reason being it's completely theoretical, but that does not mean that this paper is going to be completely easy. I've seen students failing also in it, and the reason of failure is small and silly mistakes which they do, and because of those silly mistakes which they do, they are not able to get more than 50 marks because the passing mark is 50. So now if you are starting with it, if you are starting to prepare with it, the best suggestion which I can give it to you for Business and Technology paper is never mug up any concept. Never memorize any concept. The key is to understand it. The more you understand, the better it would be for your examination. So there are 25 chapters in the Business and Technology paper according to the Kaplan text, and similarly around 19 to 20 chapters in the BPP text. Now it does not mean that the content is getting distributed or is less in some and more in another. No, the content is the same. In fact, I've seen both the materials, some examples are also similar in there. So it is nowhere said that if you read from this book you have missed out something from the other book. You have not done so, you've covered it all. Just concentrate on one book. Either you take the Kaplan or the BPP, anyone you can take. Which one is best? Take any. Which one do I teach from? I teach from the Kaplan text. I would suggest you to take the Kaplan text because it has 25 chapters and properly segregated. In fact, what is happening right now, it is not going to change till September 2023. There is no change in the syllabus in the recent update. There is no change in the Business and Technology paper. So how do you understand these theoretical concepts? You will be able to understand if you relate it with an example. The more examples you relate with, the more stories you relate with real life stories, real life examples, the better it would be for your understanding of these concepts. Because once you understand it, and if the question is coming from anywhere, you will be ready to answer it because you already have proper understanding of these particular concepts. So the key for Business and Technology is to have proper clarity over concepts. And how you'll have proper clarity over concepts? Remember it with case scenarios, remember it with real life examples. The better it would be for real life examples. Like right now I'm going on with those sessions in the live classes on YouTube. Like till now I have uploaded 9 chapters and the remaining are also coming on their way. So those students who are starting with Business Technology, you can just go there. It's available on YouTube. You don't need to go anywhere else. On this channel only, Business and Technology is there available. So what I suggest is go through the session, try understanding it, take it independently the session, then go back towards the study text, look into the study text, then look into the questions which are asked. They are asked in a bit tricky manner, in a case study manner, sometimes in a case study manner, sometimes straightforward, sometimes match the following. In each and every aspect the question is there available. So the more you answer, the much confidence you will gain for your examination. Now there are some students who will ask, sir, what are the important areas in Business and Technology? Well, according to the Kaplan text, from chapter 18 to 25 is a bit general. Now why is it a bit general is because it is talking about leadership, team management, appraisal, communication at workplace, motivation of the team to do the work done. This is kind of a general stuff, but these all are backed up by some concepts, by some scientists, by some writers who have given definitions of it. So I would highly recommend you guys to understand those concepts, understand those definitions. Like, I get students coming up with questions like, sir, what is the difference between coaching, mentorship, and training? What is the difference between that? What is the difference between counseling in that? So you should have proper clarity. But how will you have proper clarity? Is by going through these concepts, by going through the questions which are going to come out of these. And in fact, in my sessions also, I'll be explaining what all are the differences between these four and how you should understand what are the types of learners. So there is a lot of management concepts in here which people learn it in their normal MBA. You're learning it here. So it's a huge content wise, zabardast content in here. So you are going to learn a lot. In fact, economics is also there in here, business management, business cycles are there in here, business structures are there in here. So overall, you do not need to miss out any concept. You cannot say that this is not important, this is more important. You cannot say that, but have proper understanding of those reading and give as many as you can your mock examinations. The more mock examinations you get, the better it would be for your main examination. And your main examination, either you can go it and write it at your nearest center if there is available ACCA, approved learning partner is there, silver learning approved partner is there. You can go and write your examination there. Silver, gold, platinum, any, you can go write your examination there. Or you can write it online at your home itself. So you just need a normal laptop, that will be fine for your examination. It will take 1 week. Like suppose if you want to book it today, it will show you dates after 7 days. So you can go ahead, book the examination and complete your business and technology. Overall, what is required for the business and technology preparation, I have already said in this video. Moreover, I would say that be confident, concentrate on your language, try to understand stuff in there and put it in the examination. Don't be like, sir, क्लास आप हिंदी में पढ़ाओ, हिंदी में पढ़ाऊंगा मैं, लेकिन आपको एग्जाम तो इंग्लिश में ही देना है. तो I would recommend you guys to work a lot on your language, understand questions, answer it more and more mock examinations. The more mock examinations you write, the better it would be for your main examination. Okay, so overall for business and technology, these were the tips, guidelines, preparation, structure for it. I would be also making sessions or videos about management accounting, financial accounting and paper by paper of ACCA. So if you are interested about that, put it down in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, share it with your ACCA friends so that they can also be helpful with this, who are going to give their business and technology exam. And if you want to watch my sessions for the knowledge level, they are available over YouTube right now. You can go ahead. I'll also put the playlist down below. In fact, these are going to be live sessions. I'm actually going through these sessions right now. So if you want to be part of those live sessions, which I'm going to put over YouTube, then also you can be part of it. I look forward to see you in those sessions. I hope that this video is highly helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next session.